Hey, what's up guys, it's me Trav and I'm back today with a new video, and today I have some exciting products to unbox for you guys. So let's just jump right into it and get these products unboxed. Okay, so what's in this box? Let's see. So we're gonna go right ahead and open the side, and it swings open just like this. Wow, it's an iPhone. Hold up. So it's my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I waited for a long time to get this baby, so we're gonna actually see what's inside the box. So we're gonna unbox this and see what's comes in the box. I've been reading a lot of specs about this, what comes in the box, but I needed to get one for myself because I love to try out the product, see what's inside the box, and try it out for myself because, you know, I just don't take what other people say because, you know, it's different when you try it yourself against what people say. So let's just get this baby unboxed and see what's inside the box. So anyways, before we unbox this, I got the blue one because blue is my favorite color, baby. Blue is my favorite color. So basically, we're gonna just tear this plastic off the back and it slides around. Wow. So what I gotta say is that Apple did their thing on the box. The box is more slimmer instead of the big bulky boxes where it came with a charging cord and the power brick to charge the cord. But now, being that the box is more slimmer, it only comes with the USB-C to Lightning and no charging brick. So that means you will have to supply your own charging brick. They recommend 20 watts or up or higher, so that your phone will charge faster, or you can even get the MagSafe that connects to the back of your iPhone and just sits right there and just charges like wirelessly. You could just sit it on the table. But what I went ahead and did, I went ahead and got my own charging brick. So I went ahead and got my own charging brick, which is an Anchor. The plug folds and unfolds, plugs right into your outlet. If you want to take it on the go, it folds up, put in your pocketbook or your book bag or your pocket, and you could just go. It comes with a USB-C port, just like the iPhone port, and also comes with a USB. So basically, you can either get the standard iPhone charger, which comes with a USB to Lightning, or you could have the USB-C to Lightning, just like it comes with the iPhone. So I went ahead and got that. Anchor is one of my best products that I like to use. I also have the Anchor charger, where I could just take it on the go just in case my GoPro dies or it's low on battery. I could just pop in that USB charger and just pop in the other part and it'll just charge my product. So these are good. This is a good brand. I got this off of Walmart. So it'll charge your phone or your products in no time. So let's just get this baby unboxed. Put this to the side. So wow, look at that baby right there. All shiny, my favorite color, blue. It comes with 3 megapixel cameras on the back, flashlight, and some other exciting stuff. So we take this baby out just like this, take it by the end like that to just lift it. So we're gonna just flip it over and look at this. On the front, Apple protected the front screen just in case, you know, during, you know, delivery, if they decide to, you know, drop it or toss it, or, you know, it won't break in the progress. So Apple protected the front screen with this paper that you could eventually pull off. On the back of it, you might not see it. You might see, you know, a couple of videos where it has the MagSafe on the back. You could actually get the case for the MagSafe that will actually charge through the case and charge your phone wirelessly and charge it real fast too. Another thing, we're gonna just put this like that to the side. Sit that baby right there, don't go nowhere. Okay, we're gonna talk a little bit more about the phone, but what else is in the box? So just like I was saying before, it's the Lightning to USB-C, and that's where this charger, the Anchor charger, comes in place, where you can just plug that in right there, and then basically plug the lightning into the bottom of the iPhone, and which is down here. You still have the standard speakers and the microphone down at the bottom, and also you have an additional mic at the top. But what I like about this phone, reason why I liked it too, is because it reminded me about the iPhone 5. This one is a little bit heavier, plus it's slippery. iPhone has always been slippery, I've been told. You know, that's why you should always get a case, a protective case, and also a screen protector to protect the front of the screen from breaking, just in case, you know, we got some clumsy people out there and make a mistake and drop your phone, or, you know, maybe somebody bumps you and you drop your phone won't take that much damage. But a lot of people don't believe in having protective cases or screen protectors because of the fact they believe, hey, I'm careful with a phone, I'm not going to drop it. But sometimes when we don't do that, then sometimes we do get careless, and sometimes we do have accidents where we drop it. So the best bet is just to get a screen protector and a case, so that just in case you drop it, it won't do any damage and you won't be upset. So this is the cord that comes in the box. It's a lightning, like I said, to USB-C, and then you have some instructions. Also, you have a sticker that you can like stick on your wall. Apple gave you that. Little instructions and stuff like that on that side. So we're gonna just put that right there. And then you have the pen key, where when you're trying to swap out SIMs, you can just use this little key to stick it on the side, in which it'll pop out a tray. So we're sticking in that little hole right there, if you can actually see, and then you just push, and then there's like a little tray that pops out. A little tray that pops out. So, and then the SIM card will sit right there, and then you just pop it right back in. Don't be so rough with it, but you just pop it right back in, and then you're supposed to, you know, get it activated with your carrier, whether it's Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, or Verizon. So basically, this phone is unlocked. So I got a 256 gig. Reason why, because I like to take a lot of video, and I heard that it got a 4K camera that you could record in 4K. I know you're gonna say, Trav, what the hell? You got a Galaxy Note 10 that takes 4K video. I understand that, but I wanted to go back to Apple, so you can't blame me for going back to Apple. But anyways, I like the pictures better, a little bit better on the Apple iPhone rather than my actual phone. But both phones, as I talk and speak, both phones actually does a lot of stuff for me. So this phone right here will be my Galaxy right here. As you can tell, I'm recording from my camera on this phone, and this phone I'm unboxing, so I can actually see. So it has their benefits, both of them. But iPhone's always been one of my #1 phones that I wanted to get. So on the front of the paper, they'll show you a description on what the buttons are. So on this side right here, you got the up button, which is like right here. You got the down button, which will decrease the volume if it's too loud. And then you have this that you just click back and forth to turn off the ring or turn the ring back on. Also, you have the power button, which is a little bit more slimmer. It's still on the same side. Apple still kept it the same, as just press it and it'll power on. Another reason why I got the 256 gig, because Apple does not let you expand your memory, just like my Galaxy Note 10 will let me expand my memory, so I could just get an SD card and pop it in along with the SIM card, but Apple doesn't let you do that. So it's either a 128, 256, or a 512. So that's what's in the box of the iPhone 12. But I know I told you guys that I had something else to unbox. You know how I said I love my blue stuff. I love blue, right? Blue is my favorite color, right? So I had to get me an Apple Watch, the color blue, just to match my baby right here. You know, my sweet baby. So we're gonna just get this unboxed right now, because I know I told you guys I had 2 items to unbox, and these are the 2 exciting items that I am excited to unbox. Wait, hold up. Okay, so we did it wrong, but so you pull these 2 flaps right here, and you go right here, unflap it, and bam. Let's just take this out. We don't need this box right here, right? We don't need this, right? Okay, we can actually drop that on the floor. So it comes with 2 packs. All right, so 1, it comes with the band, the blue band, as you guys can actually tell. And then 2, it actually comes with the watch separately. So we're gonna unbox the watch itself, because you know, a lot of y'all might think that it actually comes together, but it actually comes separately, in which it goes, you pull this up, and then basically it shows you exactly what's in the box. So Apple actually protected this watch with a blue cover. I love that. This is so awesome. So basically, it's a 44mm watch. This is not my first Apple Watch, but this is my second Apple Watch. But I love the color blue, so I was like, oh man, I gotta get that one. So, so basically, we're gonna just rip this, or can we rip it? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it actually unbuckles or something. Or maybe, yeah. So we can actually rip this off. So it's like some paper. Rip it off, because I got scared to rip it. So after we rip the blue paper off, it tells you what size it is. I got a 44mm. This is the Series 6 Apple Watch. It's waterproof, so you can actually go into the water with it. Also, you can actually get different kind of bands, but right now I stuck with the regular band, basically with the bands that actually came into the box with the Apple Watch. So, but you can actually still go to apple.com and order other bands. You have this one elastic strap that actually goes around your wrist without you even connecting anything. You just pull it around your wrist, or you can choose from other brands, where you could go to bestbuy.com and choose from other brands of Apple bands. Just make sure you get the right size. The back of the Apple Watch is stainless steel, right? So you see the sensor on the back that reads your heart rate, and also, you know, helps you, you know, exercise. This watch does a lot of things. So if you want to go running, it will track your running speed. If you wanted to take your heart rate, it will actually test your heart rate. Make sure that your heart is beeping right. Also, you can go swimming with this, so you don't have to worry about your watch damaging. And then on the back of it, it's a stainless steel Apple Watch, and then around it is aluminum. The front of it is also glass, so you know, some of you guys get protection for the front glass, but me, I don't get protection for the front glass. But also just be careful not to bang your arm. Instructions on how to turn on your watch and how to work the dial, touchscreen, etc., etc. On the back shows you how to change watch faces. So if you want to go through this, you could, but we're gonna just sit down on the side. We got some other paper, and it's nothing else in the box. So I'm gonna put that on the side along with that paper. Now it comes with the charger. Of course it has to come with the charger to charge your watch, because your watch is going to die eventually. So basically it comes with the charger, and you just pull the back of it and you just unwrap it. Still the standard USB, but the charging port is smaller. Before, brands were a little bit bigger. This one is smaller. So Apple didn't only make this smaller, but they got rid of the size of the charger. Because I remember these chargers used to be like about like that, a little bit bigger than this one. So basically this part sticks to the back of this like a magnet, and that sits on top of that. Once you plug this into a USB, then the watch turns on and it states that it's charging. Once it's finished charging, you just pull it off. Still surprised that Apple made it smaller. I'm happy that they made it a little bit smaller, because come on now, we don't need no big chargers charging the watch. Come on, man, make it easy on us, Apple. So Apple did what they needed to do, but it's no more in this box right here. So we're gonna get rid of this stuff right here, and then now we're gonna just sit this right here, And basically we're gonna unwrap the band. Come on, pull this part off. Unwrapping it. Maybe I need Mr. Sharpie, Mr. Razor, but I don't need my razor. Maybe I need my razor, but nah. I thought I needed my razor. So it comes with instructions. So on the back of it, it just shows you, you know, a little bit of Apple and California. But if you unfold this, it shows you how to put on your band. So if you want to read that, if you never had an Apple Watch before, you might want to read that. But I'm going to teach you guys out there how to put on the straps. So just in case y'all was wondering how to put on the straps, I'm going to teach you. So you unfold this one, right? So you get two types of bands, and you get a small and you get a medium. So basically what you'll do, you're going to take the watch and you're going to take this part right here, take this part and slide that in right there. Should slide in, and then it should click, do a little light click, right? So the watch turned on. So we're gonna take this other band out and we're gonna do the same thing, just slide it in at the top, slide in at the top, slide in at the top. Now this one doesn't want to go in, so we're gonna just have to take the, so if it doesn't go in this end, take the other end and just slide it in at the top right here, and it should clip in, right? So basically now you got your full Apple Watch. So now you can put it as any length. So we're gonna actually put it on the arm. I'm gonna wrap it around. We're gonna actually have to hold this, and then we're gonna just take this metal piece right here and we're gonna just clip it. So this is how it's supposed to look on your wrist. Once you clip that metal piece, and then it's supposed to look like that. Right now the watch is indicating that we need to charge this because it has no battery. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in for more from me, myself, Trap. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you know, I hope you love how I unbox my Apple Watch, my newest Apple Watch. It's all blue. I love it. It's my favorite color. And then my newest member to my family, also my Apple 12 Pro Max. So basically, you know what to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, deuces.